For fun fact, guys, do you know that Salar de Uyuni or the Great Salt Flats in Bolivia was one of my favorite sites in my travel of Latin America. Do you know that in this Salar de Uyuni, there was an entire hotel made up of only salt? Can you believe that? The entire hotel is made up of salt. If you visit Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia next time, check this hotel out. I hope you like the fun fact. Stay tuned.
My beautiful folks, how are you? Welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss imperfect continuous for verbs ending with er. Well, folks, talking about past, there are two kinds of past in Spanish. One is imperfect and the other is preterite. The difference is that imperfect is used when you are talking about an instance which was happening but it was incomplete in itself and it can be continued, right? So that is when you use imperfect. However, you use preterite when you're talking about something in the past and that is complete in itself. That situation got over, that action was done. Yeah. So let's continue, folks. The objective of this session is to be able to say things like I was doing something, you were doing something, he or she was doing something, we were doing something, you guys were doing something, they were doing something, right? So the example that we're going to take today is comer, which means to eat. And but this concept is valid for all the verbs in Spanish which end with er and are regular. And regular verbs are those verbs which have a standard approach of getting conjugated. So let's move on, folks. Let's first of all take a look at imperfect conjugation of the verb estar, which means to be. In our favorite table, first person, second person, third person, singular, plural. Estaba means I was. Estabas means you were. Estaba means he or she was. Estábamos means we were. Estabais means you guys were. And estaban means they were. Now let's combine each of these words with the word formed by replacing er with yendo in comer. So it looks like estaba comiendo means I was eating. Estabas comiendo, you were eating. Estaba comiendo, he or she was eating. Estábamos comiendo, we were eating. Estabais comiendo, you guys were eating. And estaban comiendo, they were eating. Well, folks, that was about the session today. I hope you learned and enjoyed this beautiful concept. And now you'll be able to say things which are continuous in past and specifically imperfect. If you wish to continue learning from me, please subscribe to my channel. Till next session, take care, goodbye, ciao, ciao. Bueno, estudiantes, ahora saben una cosa más que es muy preciosa, es hablar del pasado. Bueno, muchas gracias por su paciencia. Hasta luego, chao, chao.